Rock Out With Your Lockout is having another giveaway for his 400 subscribers, and he wants us to give shout outs and to rake a lock. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and I'm gonna rake a pair of cuffs. Oh, you can't rake a pair of cuffs, I hear you say? Somebody out there? Well, I'm gonna try. I've done it before off camera. This will be my second attempt trying this on camera. And if it doesn't count, oh well, that's all right. I want to give my shout outs anyway. I want to give a shout out to RunesmithLocksport, Keybeard, and C-Stew-Do. All these guys are very knowledgeable. They're very approachable. They don't mind sharing their knowledge. And if you don't know any of them, please go check them out. Now to cheat on this giveaway. I'm feeling my handcuffs lately, and I was playing around, and I figured out quint rake, handcuffs. Ain't that some shit? I told you. As soon as I start recording. Hey, quint rake. Snake rake. There's a semi that is trying to back up like really close to me right now and probably sees me in handcuffs. That's gonna be awkward. Uh-oh. No! Well, that didn't happen in practice. Quint rake, save the day, please. This has been a train wreck. But I'm out of the cuffs, and that is the video. Whether it counts or not, please go check out these lovely people if you like handcuffs, lock sport, and the white. I'm just gonna stop this video while I'm behind. Y'all have a nice one.